Based on what we've learned so far, one could predict what the proton NMR spectrum would look like for this ester. We understand that all protons would give a decoupled signal. We would see a signal for protons for D, protons for A, protons for B, and protons for C. For the coupled spectrum, protons D look out their window and see no neighboring protons. This oxygen and carbonyl prevent protons D from seeing protons A, B, or C. Thus, protons D remain as a singlet. Protons A look out their window and see protons B. They see two of them by the rule n+1, neighbor +1. 2 + 1 would split proton A signal into a triplet. Protons B look to the right and to the left, see a total of 5 protons, so proton B would split into a sextet. Better known as a multiplet. And finally, protons C look out their window, see protons B dancing, and they would split into a triplet. So we'd see a singlet, triplet, multiplet, triplet in our spectrum. Electron withdrawing groups would cause the greatest downfield shift, so we would predict that these protons would resonate between 3 and 5. These protons on C, alpha protons to a carbonyl, would resonate between 2 and 3. These protons closer to the alpha protons would resonate perhaps somewhere between 1 and 2, being a little closer to the carbonyl. And these protons here, which would resonate between 0 and 1 for the hydrocarbon protons. So these would be the chemical shift values for these protons. Our integration would be the following. Integration would be 3 protons to 2 protons to 2 protons to 3 protons. The integration would be 3 protons, 2 protons, 2 protons, 3 protons. There would be no signal for this carbon since there's no proton attached. And then we could summarize this in the following manner. Delta protons, 3 to 5, exists as a singlet with 3 HD protons. Delta value 2 to 3 appears as a triplet with 2 HA protons. Delta value 1 to 2 would appear as a multiplet, 2 HB protons, and delta value 0 to 1 would appear as a triplet with 3 HC protons. That is how we would report the data. Again, the data tells you the address, how many neighbors you have, and how many protons reside in your home. Address, how many neighbors. If you appear as a singlet, means you have no neighbors. 0 plus 1 is 1 for a singlet.